Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more comparisons like this. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into the user experience of two prominent video editing platforms, INVIDEO AI and Veed. You can find links to both platforms in the description below. This comparison aims to help you decide which platform best aligns with your video editing requirements. Both INVIDEO AI and Veed offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful video creation tools, but they cater to distinct user preferences and specific use cases. INVIDEO AI stands out as an AI-powered video creation platform designed for users seeking rapid video production with minimal effort. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or a small business owner, INVIDEO AI automates a significant portion of the video production process. Simply input a script, and the AI will generate a complete video, including visuals, transitions, and music. This feature makes INVIDEO AI an exceptional choice for those who want professional-looking videos without needing advanced editing expertise. INVIDEO AI further enhances its offering with a vast library of templates, stock footage, and a customizable interface, making it perfectly suited for social media managers, marketers, and business owners who need to consistently produce a high volume of video content. Veed, on the other hand, presents a versatile online video editor recognized for its simplicity and intuitive user experience. Veed empowers users to edit videos quickly and efficiently through a drag-and-drop interface. While Veed doesn't leverage AI to automate video creation like INVIDEO AI, it provides a more hands-on approach, giving users greater control over their video editing process. Veed boasts a comprehensive suite of features, including subtitles, screen recording, and video compression, catering to a diverse range of video editing needs. It's an ideal solution for content creators, YouTubers, and businesses that require fine-tuned videos with custom edits while maintaining a streamlined workflow. In summary, if you prioritize automation and speed, particularly for social media or marketing content, INVIDEO AI emerges as the preferred option. However, if you seek a more conventional video editing experience with increased customization capabilities, Veed may be the better fit for your workflow. Both platforms offer exceptional value in their respective niches, so be sure to explore the links in the description for more detailed information and to make an informed decision.